For a better future for Korea, the National Assembly Library has provided valuable knowledge over the years. It has been supporting the members of the National Assembly, serving as the basis for advancement of legislative activities. The National Assembly Library is at the center of the development of democracy and economic growth in Korea. It started in Busan, the temporary capital of Korea, in 1952 during the war. The Parliamentary Research Bureau was established afterwards, laying the foundation for today's parliamentary and legal references and information services. Moreover, starting with the Legislative Research Monthly, it has published about 30 kinds of legislative reference materials. Since 1964, it has organized the information on books published in Korea and saved it on a database. The Overseas Information Bureau, which was established in 1973, provides access to policies and raises legislative issues involving the international society. In 1988, the library building was completed. The following year, the library launched an information retrieval system, making searching and browsing far more convenient for many users. In 2005, the Annex Building, Ujeongguyen, was completed, laying the foundation for the scientific and systematic preservation of data. Furthermore, the library serves as a permanent record management agency of the legislative body. The collection, which was at 3,000 volumes in 1952, reached a volume of 7 million in 2020. We're collecting, organizing, and providing information necessary for legislative activities and the government deliberation of the National Assembly. Subject librarians and researchers conduct research on the status of domestic and foreign policies, legislative cases, statistics, and overseas and legal information to provide customized service to the members of the National Assembly. Moreover, we preemptively research and analyze legislative and policy issues and have been publishing fact books which provide factual information on timely issues since 2008. Big data collected over the past 70 years are being shared through a sophisticated system. We provide big data analysis service to examine legislative tasks and policy issues, cloud-based academic information platform services, and visualization data for the National Assembly minutes. We're also providing an artificial intelligence-based automatic law translation service that is optimized for legal terms. We responded to changes in the information service paradigm by hosting book festivals and music concerts in the metaverse. The National Assembly Library exerted various efforts domestically and internationally to take the lead in information sharing. In order for other institutions to access the digital materials, we signed academic information exchange agreements with more than 5,000 institutions since 2000. In 1967, starting by joining the International Federation of Library Associations and Institutions, we've held the biannual conference of the Association of Parliamentary Librarians of Asia and the Pacific, the Annual Conference of Libraries and Research Services for Parliaments, and the International Conference of Asian Special Libraries, thus broadening the scope of international activities and exchanges. Also, it serves as a depository library of international organizations. We have been responsible for preserving the materials issued by these institutions. The National Assembly Library gradually implements various policies to become a repository of knowledge and information for all citizens. Starting with the full opening of the library to the public in 1998, it has become an open space where anyone can learn and explore knowledge freely. The National Assembly Busan Library, which opens in March 2022, will fulfill its role as both parliamentary and public libraries, establishing itself as the representative library in the Southeast region. In 2024, we plan to prepare for a platform change into a library without books inside the National Assembly Digital Center. The National Assembly Library will make the most effort to become a platform that citizens can create together by widely sharing the information system with data accumulated over the past 70 years. Beyond the National Assembly Library, we will become a new library that communicates knowledge with the public as an information repository of Korea in the future.